Ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes when you check your credit score? It's a number that can feel like a magic trick, a single score that somehow captures your entire financial history. But what if I told you there are two ways to check your credit score, and only one of them actually affects that magic number? That's right, there are soft inquiries and hard inquiries. Soft inquiries happen when you check your credit score yourself, or when a lender does a preliminary check to see if you might qualify for a certain product. These inquiries are like peeking through a window. You're getting a glimpse of the information, but you're not actually entering the building. Hard inquiries, on the other hand, are like ringing the doorbell and announcing your intentions. They happen when you formally apply for a loan, credit card, or other line of credit. These inquiries leave a mark on your credit report, and too many of them in a short period can actually lower your score. So, the big question: does Borrowell do a hard credit check? Hold on to your credit cards, because the answer is no. Borrowell uses a soft inquiry to provide you with your credit score. This means you can check your score with Borrowell as often as you want without any negative impact. Now, this might sound too good to be true. Why would Borrowell offer your credit score for free, without the usual hard inquiry dance? Well, Borrowell isn't just about showing you your score. They want to be your credit score Sherpa, guiding you through the financial wilderness and helping you understand what that number means. They offer tools and resources to help you improve your score, track your progress over time, and even get matched with personalized loan offers, all without any hard inquiries affecting your credit. But what if you're looking to take the next step and actually apply for a loan? Here's where things get interesting. Borrowell can connect you with lenders who use soft inquiries to pre-qualify you for potential loans. This way, you can see which offers you might be eligible for without all the hard inquiries pinging your credit report. Of course, if you do decide to move forward with a specific loan offer, then a hard inquiry will likely be involved at that point. But Borrowell helps you navigate the pre-qualification stage without any unnecessary dings to your score. So, there you have it. Borrowell is a soft inquiry-friendly zone for your credit score. It's a great way to check your score regularly, understand your credit health, and explore loan options without putting your score at risk. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your credit. And with Borrowell, that power is readily available, with no strings attached. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.